Hello there, welcome back to the channel. If you have got some crypto sitting in your Safepal wallet and you are wondering, can you use this to pay off your Afterpay balance? Or maybe can you send it straight to Afterpay? The short answer, no. You cannot send money directly from Safepal to Afterpay. That's because Afterpay doesn't accept crypto, it only works with traditional payment methods like debit cards or linked bank accounts. There's no wallet address, no crypto gateway, nothing like that. But here's what you can do if you want to use your crypto to indirectly pay Afterpay. Transfer your crypto from Safepal to an exchange like Binance or Coinbase, sell it for fiat currency, withdraw the money to your bank account or debit card that's linked to your Afterpay. It's not one click simple, but it works. Until Afterpay accepts crypto directly, this is your best move. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.